Can Nano Banana really solve my handwritten math? How good is it? Articles shows proofs, but how real is it? One way to find out, test it.
I have given a simple calculus question to Gemini. Let's see if it does as articles show. It failed. Damn it. But let's retry. Gave it the problem again and specified to use Nano Banana. And it succeeded, and it seems pretty accurate. I can right away say that it's my handwriting. But let's use an AI image detector to see if it can detect it's real or fake. This is my web application that I made, which can detect AI-generated images. We will use this to see if it can detect the result Nano Banana produced.
We will use one more AI detector website to see if the Nano Banana generated image can fool both of them. And the results are clear. My website failed to detect any AI interference in the image, while the other one detected it. The results shows that it's just 63% surety that's deepfake, which is quite good result. It's detectable, but if it improves at this rate, then online school homeworks are in danger. And my website failed to detect. You read the reason why. Here's a bit of special section to enjoy.